this video, we will discuss how to create a script for YouTube video. Let's say you have a YouTube channel and you want to write a script about the top 5 car companies. The script should be cool and trendy with the maximum length of 3 minutes. With ChatGPT, you simply type in your initial idea and it will generate the introduction and subsequent parts of the script. It also guides the optimal duration for each section. If you are unsatisfied with the generated script, you can easily customize it or regenerate it. Next, we need to open a new chat. In this, we will write an email. This email should introduce ourselves. For example, my name is Neha and I am a website developer. Next, we can mention that we have written an application to apply our web development skills to the company. We can see that it will write emails in a systematic approach. Start with the subject line and address the recipient with the greetings such as Dear Sir, Madam. Make sure to proofread the email before sending it. Subject: application for web developer, position Neha. Dear, I hope this message finds you well. My name is Neha and I am writing to express my strong interest in the web developer position name as advertised on job board company website. I am excited about the opportunity to contribute my skills and experience to your dynamic team. I am a dedicated and creative web developer with 10 years of experience in designing and developing responsive and user-friendly websites. My passion for coding and problem solving has led to me to work on various projects. If you want to keep your email brief, simply write short this email and it will highlight the main point. It's a pretty cool feature. Now you can see that it write above email short like it write subject application for web developer position Neha. Highlights proficient in from. Thank you for considering my application. Best regards, Neha. To summarize an article or theme, you can use ChatGPT. Just copy and paste the text you want to summarize and type summarize this article into the chat. ChatGPT will provide a paragraph summarizing the text. You can also use ChatGPT to generate short stories. Simple write a short story on successful business. It will provide you the best stories. If you want the story in a different language like Hindi, just type can you write this in Hindi and ChatGPT will generate the stories in Hindi or any other language you specify. Using ChatGPT can increase your productivity. Stay tuned for the next video.